Hi, this is Manesh Patel with BlackBar.com. Today is December 7th, 2024. This is our weekly review of the BlackBar TNT, our AI forecasting tool. We go through this every week. We go through the results for currency, stocks, futures, crypto, and sometimes international stocks too. Remember, this forecasting tool can work for any instrument at any time frame, but we have to show it to you for one particular example. So what we've been doing is week by week, we've been showing you results of the TNT forecasting tool on the weekly time frame for those instruments. Okay, so let's begin. Let's go to the charts and start looking at the results for this week. So here's just all the list of the TNTs at the beginning of the week. Remember, our goal is to be prepared. Okay, so preparation means knowing what to trade before the market even opens. So we use our scanner, we scan for the weekly TNTs, it gives us that list of opportunities for the following week. And this is all the opportunities we had for the following week here, okay? And they're grouped in two different sections. The very first sections are the shaded opportunities. When you have a shade, it tells you which direction it's going to go with high probability. If it's a green shade, it's going to go bullish. If it's a red shade, it's going to go bearish. If there's no shade, it could go either direction. Okay, so all these were the shaded opportunities right there. These are the non-shaded opportunities here. And the key thing is that with that list, we could kind of forecast to see what's going to happen in the market. If we have a short list, it tells us that market's going to probably consolidate that entire week. If we have a big list, that means we're going to start to move. If we have a lot of opportunities in the shaded regions, that means we're now going to move in more of a trending environment. If you have a lot of opportunities in the non-shaded environment, as we did this week here, that means you're going to have a high probability to move, but more in a consolidation type of move. So let's go for the results here. This is a currency here. You can see there's a shade there. So our entries are these blue dots right there. We have two of them, one for the bullish, one for the bearish right there. The red is the conditional stop, and the blue cross here is the target right there. Okay, so this was a profitable trade. LLY was profitable. LYB was profitable. You can see this one's really good too. J&J was profitable. I love this trade right here. Australian CAD was profitable. So we had two currencies this week so far that were profitable. This is APA that was profitable. PCX was profitable. And Baxter, which was a really nice trade here. That was a continuation trade, and that was profitable too. This was US Switzy here. This is break even. We have a point where when price gets to a certain level, it basically gets out at break even. However, we show it as break even, but this is really no trade here because it never got to there. So that is a mistake. That is not break even. That's a trade that never even entered at all. Okay. CLX here. This didn't enter. New Zealand CAD didn't enter. Euro CAD didn't enter. And SYK did not enter. So if you look at the shaded opportunities here, and we'll just write it down over here, you had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners for the shaded, no losers, and no break even. That's really good. Okay. Over here for non-shaded opportunities here, you had Euro New Zealand here. This is not even a trade right there. Sorry, ZBH was a profitable trade here. Remember, since they don't have a shade, they could go any direction. So what we do is we wait for a drawdown and then we go enter looking for a specific type of direction. UHS, you probably heard about that one. That one was profitable. CAG here, this was a profitable trade, but barely. Actually, that was break-even trade. TXN was profitable. MPC was profitable. DHR was profitable. IFF was profitable. HRB profitable. VLO was profitable. This is the interesting one, DG, and this is profitable here, and it could mark the bottom of DG here for Dollar General. So this is one definitely to look at this week, because that TNT could specify the bottom for this particular instrument, and it could go up as long as it follows through this week and it becomes more profitable on the second bar. PFE, this is break even. TMO, this is break even. And this was a losing trade here. Was not profitable here. It didn't get to our red dot conditional stop, but it was not profitable at the end of the week, so we had to exit out. So if you look over here in this scenario here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 winning trades. So if you add that up here, non-shaded, you had 9 winners. I think you had 3 break even and 1 loss. So this week overall we had 16 winners, 16 winners, 3 break even, and 1 loss for overall for the market. Not bad considering that it really didn't do that much this week. You have the holidays going on too, with Thanksgiving ending and everything, and now Christmas is coming around the corner. So this is not bad at all. If you have any questions, please ask in the social media. Please also like and share this video too, so that we get more traction. Thank you.